Hey guys, it's Andres from CallLoop, and I have great news for GoHighLevel customers. CallLoop just rolled out an update for the custom field mapping inside of your high-level workflows, giving you cleaner data, smoother workflows, and more reliable automations. With this update, monetary fields now map correctly whether you're sending values to text fields or number fields. Number fields automatically trim decimals, while text fields display the full value, keeping your records accurate and consistent. Now let me show you right here how to figure that out with inside a CallLoop. So you go to contacts and you go to custom fields, and here you have your numbers. And so your numbers are going to actually be going to numbers. Make sure there's no decimal points in there. So let's make sure that that is a address. So you do the address there, and let's say this is going to be a price of some sort, right? You want to make sure that that is a text field for make sure everything gets mapped correctly. And you'll also have smoother workflows and triggers whenever a field changes. So GoHighLevel updates the contact record immediately, and every map field reflects in CallLoop. No more mismatch or missing data. And here's the big improvement: error handling. If a field is misconfigured, instead of failing the entire update, the system now skips only the incorrect field. That means incorrect mapped fields remain empty, while every correct map field updates successfully. Guys, these updates improve data integrity and ensure your workflows continue without disruption. Even if one mapping is off, your automation still runs, your contacts stay updated, and your campaigns never miss a beat. All right, guys, so for you, that means greater reliability, efficiency, and confidence when syncing data between CallLoop and GoHighLevel. It's automation you can trust without the frustration of failed updates. Are you ready to experience the cleaner and smarter, more reliable automations that CallLoop has? Well, go ahead and start using the GoHighLevel custom workflows. And if you're ready to get started with CallLoop, go ahead and go to callloop.com and start your free trial.